Being different makes us unique. The Talking Vegetable Garden. What if the vegetables in your garden could talk? In this delightful story, discover what happens when the veggies argue about who's the best, and learn a valuable lesson about teamwork. Please, subscribe to the channel to watch more stories. Once upon a time, in a cozy little vegetable garden tucked behind a cottage, the vegetables loved to talk to each other. These vegetables could walk, sing, and have the funniest conversations. One evening, a loud argument broke out in the garden. It all started when Tomato, sitting plump and red on his vine, puffed up and said,
"I'm clearly the most important vegetable here."
Carrot, stretching out her long orange body from the ground, frowned.
"Excuse me, but who adds color and crunch to a salad better than me?"
Broccoli, standing tall and green, cleared his throat.
"Without me, how would kids get strong and healthy? Everyone knows I'm the healthiest vegetable here."
The other vegetables joined in too. Cucumber, spinning around on his vine, wiggled in excitement.
"Hey, I keep everyone cool and refreshed in the summer. No picnic is complete without me."
"Oh, please.
Lettuce grumbled, her leafy head waving in the wind.
Without me, salads wouldn't even exist."
As the chatter grew louder, Potato, who had been quietly sitting in the ground, listening to the argument, finally spoke up.
"Everyone thinks they're the best, but really, what would the world be without us all together?"
The garden grew silent. Potato was usually calm and wise, and when he spoke, everyone listened.
"I'm not colorful like tomato or carrot, and I don't have tall florets like broccoli."
Potato continued.
"But think about it. What makes a delicious stew, soup, or even fries? It's not just one of us, it's all of us. When we work together, we make meals so much better."
The vegetables looked at each other, realizing Potato was right. Just then, a sudden gust of wind blew through the garden, and a small piece of paper flew in. It was a page from a cookbook. Cucumber quickly hopped over to look.
"Look at this,"
he said excitedly.
"This recipe uses all of us. Tomato, lettuce, cucumber, even broccoli. We are all in the same dish."
That night, the vegetables continued to chat, but this time, it wasn't about who was the best. They shared stories of how they were used in different dishes. Broccoli told everyone about a fancy pasta dish he'd once been part of, and Carrot giggled as she remembered being turned into a carrot cake. As moonlight waned, the vegetables returned to their places, filled with a deeper connection. The next day, when the farmer came to harvest some vegetables for dinner, they all worked together to make the most delicious meal anyone had ever tasted. This story teaches us that being different makes us unique, and that when we work together, we can create something truly wonderful. Teamwork and unity bring out the best in everyone. The end.